tailor,
traffic, quickly, well,
other,
hard,
furniture,
headmaster,
exercise, engineer, librarian,
veterinary,
director,
heavy,
comfortable,
clever, coach,
film director,
conductor, basketball player, fashion designer,
bad,
drink,
age,
mosquito, instrument, all of a sudden,
sudden,
enjoy,
sheep, shark, be in a bad temper, wave,
have a cold,
have a rest, snake,
1,000,000,
captain,
put,
have a pain,
holiday, bee, dozen,
100,
hurry,
bored, drink,
date of birth,
Date of birth.
place of birth,
widow,
thousand,
all of a sudden,
enjoy,
female,
single, widower, president, have a cold,
have a rest,
male, surname, nationality, chairman,
have a pain, age,
married,
telephone number, temper,
hurry,
bored. less heavy than,
less tall than, less dangerous than,
Bob is less punctual than you. Your sister is less tall than you.
this job is less interesting than the other one.
the chair is as expensive as the table.
To watch TV is as boring as going to school.
She's not as strong as me.
You are not as punctual as him.
Mary is not as clever as John. He runs as quickly as her.
Mike cooks as well as Peter. He doesn't have as many friends as you.
Jane doesn't have as many books as Ruth.
Paris has as much traffic as Madrid. Jack doesn't do as much work as me.
Jane is as clever as he is.
Peter is as tall as her.
I have the same car as my sister. This box isn't as big as that one.
Your book is as heavy as mine.
Mum cooks as well as Dad.
Mike exercises as much as me. Philip's room is as dirty as yours.
My house is less comfortable than his.
Susan's car is less fast than mine. John plays chess as badly as you.
I study as hard as Mary.
I don't have as many brothers as Henry.
This bottle has as much water as that one.
That room doesn't have as much furniture as this one. Engineer, librarian,
Priest,
Tailor,
basketball player,
film director,
headmaster,
fashion designer, conductor, coach.
director,
veterinary,
Anne and her mother are in the kitchen making breakfast. The girl is having a terrible time deciding which courses to choose for school. Part of the problem is that she can't decide what she wants to be when she grows up. She's thinking about her love for books and reading, but work in a bookstore or library isn't as exciting as other jobs to her. So she asks her mum what she thinks. Her mom suggests travel. It's more exciting to see different parts of the world. She can do this as a journalist, her mum suggests, or maybe a fashion designer. Of course, a journalist's job isn't as easy as a librarian's job. Anne is finishing her eggs and toast and decides to think about it later. She has to get ready for school. She packs her gym bag and gets ready for today's exercise class. Her teacher this year isn't as good as the teacher last year. She has to find her sneakers. She doesn't want to be as late as she was yesterday. She looks around and finds her sneakers under her bed. Her books aren't as heavy as usual, and she walks to the bookstop with her book bag, her gym bag, and her lunch. The weather is as fine as it was yesterday.
Bob is less punctual than you.
This job is less interesting than the other one.
Jane is as clever as he is.
Jane is as clever as he is.
Mum cooks as well as Dad.
Mom cooks as well as Dad.
This bottle has as much water as that one.
This bottle has as much water as that one.
I have got some happy memories.
They have got good ideas for the job.
I have got a stomachache.
She reads a book.
I drink beer for lunch.